Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. 11 things that 100% scared any man. Although you can do everything in your power to attract the opposite sex, you will be surprised to learn that some of your actions produce the opposite effect. It is known that some ladies do not understand that their actions sometimes have a very negative effect on men. For example, a woman enters the room. She has beautiful voluminous hair, full of gel or varnish. Will this attract the attention of the men attending the party? Yes, but not for the reasons you want. Most men like long, soft and silky hair, rather than sticky hairspray or gels. Like this, many other female habits annoy them. Here are 11 of them. 1. You are too arrogant. Indeed. Ladies, you must understand this fine line between pride and arrogance. Be proud of your success and achievements, it's cool, but be arrogant, do you need it? Men will not appreciate it. 2. Poor personal hygiene. Of course, this is the main thing. Regardless of sex, men and women should take their personal hygiene very seriously. If you do not follow this, then in any case, scare anyone. 3. Inability or unwillingness to support the conversation. Yes. This is a rare case, but there are some women who are not very interested in talking. Most often because the topic does not concern themselves. This destroys the interest of men. 4. Always criticize your ex. Believe me, many women still have some hopes for their former. But they should not put it on display to other people. Thus, you will only show your attachment to the past and the habit of criticizing, which makes you very unattractive in the eyes of other men. 5. Too much makeup. Really, girls? Of course, women do not dress to please people. They do this to satisfy themselves, but from time to time it goes too far. Therefore, believe me, busting with makeup will actually play with you a bad joke. 6. A lot of drama. Things such as the habit of giggling at every opportunity or telling stupidity, are very negative for men. 7. You know everything. For God's sake. Stop it, girls. Do not act like you all know, do not listen to anyone, showing that no one can be smarter than you. All these features scare people away. 8. You consider yourself inimitable. This is the type of girls who will start to break things in your house, as soon as something goes wrong, as they wanted. This behavior is really extremely unattractive. 9. Too much laugh, all the time touching and even beating. Perhaps you express your love when you beat it on the back and laugh at the top of your voice. But constant laughter and unnecessary gesticulation will soon start to annoy the man very much. 10. Hyperreactivity. Are you the girl who at any moment can start yelling at people louder than DJs in clubs? It's terrible. Especially unpleasant if someone screams right in your ear. 11. Excessive exactingness. If you demand too much from people, then in addition to deterring them, it will be very difficult for you to find a worthy, in your opinion, a man. Look around, maybe a good one is already around, but you just do not notice it? And which of these negative habits did you notice? Only honestly. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.